Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Kia EV2, a highly anticipated addition to Kia's growing lineup of electric vehicles. The EV2 represents a bold step forward for Kia, offering cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a sleek design that's perfect for those looking to transition to an all-electric lifestyle. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just exploring your options, the Kia EV2 is a model worth considering. The first thing that grabs your attention about the 2025 Kia EV2 is its futuristic yet practical design. It combines Kia's signature opposites united design philosophy with an aerodynamic shape to maximize efficiency. The front end features a minimalist grille with a sharp LED light bar that runs across the width, giving the EV2 a modern and clean look. The sleek profile is complemented by flush door handles and bold alloy wheels, designed not only for aesthetics but also to reduce drag. At the rear, you'll find a distinctive light design that enhances the car's modern appeal. Overall, the EV2 is a head-turner that merges form and function seamlessly. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the Kia EV2 is powered by a state-of-the-art electric powertrain. It's built on Kia's eGMP platform, which is specifically designed for electric vehicles. The EV2 offers two battery options, a standard 58 kWh battery and a larger 77.4 kWh battery for those who need more range. The standard model delivers an impressive 300 miles of range on a full charge, while the larger battery extends it to around 370 miles. This makes the EV2 a practical choice for daily commuting and long road trips alike. The electric motor delivers a robust 200 horsepower in the standard configuration, while the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant provides 320 horsepower for those seeking extra performance. Charging the EV2 is both convenient and fast, thanks to its 800-volt architecture. The EV2 supports ultra-fast charging, allowing you to replenish up to 80% of the battery in just 18 minutes when connected to a DC fast charger. For home charging, the EV2 comes with a 7.2 kW onboard charger, with the option to upgrade to an 11 kW charger for faster charging times. Kia also offers an app that allows you to monitor and control charging remotely, ensuring your EV2 is always ready to hit the road. Step inside the 2025 Kia EV2, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's both high-tech and eco-friendly. Kia has made sustainability a priority, using recycled and renewable materials throughout the interior. The dashboard is dominated by a dual-screen setup that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system is powered by Kia's latest software, offering seamless navigation, smartphone connectivity, and voice control. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Comfort is another area where the EV2 excels. The seats are ergonomically designed and can be upholstered in vegan leather for a more sustainable touch. Heated and ventilated front seats are available, along with the heated steering wheel to keep you cozy in colder climates. The EV2 also offers a spacious interior, thanks to its flat floor design. Rear seat passengers enjoy ample legroom, while the large cargo space provides plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or outdoor gear. With the rear seats folded down, the EV2 offers even more storage versatility, making it perfect for active lifestyles. One of the standout features of the 2025 Kia EV2 is its advanced driver assistance technology. The EV2 is equipped with Kia's latest DriveWise suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The highway driving assist system takes things a step further by combining adaptive cruise control with lane centering, making highway driving more relaxed and safer. The EV2 also includes a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Kia hasn't skimped on performance either. The EV2's instant-to-work delivery ensures brisk acceleration, with the dual-motor AWD variant capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. The car's low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, provides excellent handling and stability, whether you're navigating city streets or winding country roads. The EV2 also features multiple drive modes, allowing you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. Eco mode maximizes efficiency, while Sport mode unlocks the car's full performance potential. When it comes to sustainability, the EV2 truly shines. Not only is it a zero-emissions vehicle, but Kia has also focused on reducing its carbon footprint during production. The factory where the EV2 is built uses renewable energy sources, and many of the car's components are made from recycled materials. Kia has also partnered with charging networks to offer green energy options for EV2 owners, ensuring that your driving experience is as eco-friendly as possible. Another area where the EV2 impresses is its connectivity features. The car comes with over-the-air, OTA, update capabilities, ensuring that your vehicle always has the latest software and features. The Kia Connect app allows you to control various aspects of the car remotely, such as preconditioning the cabin, locating nearby charging stations, and even scheduling maintenance appointments. This level of connectivity makes owning and operating the EV2 incredibly convenient. The 2025 Kia EV2 is available in multiple trims, catering to a wide range of budgets and preferences. The base trim offers excellent value with a comprehensive set of features, while higher trims add luxuries like a panoramic sunroof, premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance features. Kia has also introduced unique exterior color options and wheel designs for the EV2, allowing buyers to personalize their vehicle. In terms of pricing, the Kia EV2 is competitive within the electric vehicle market. The base model starts at an affordable price point, making it accessible to a broad audience. Even fully loaded, the EV2 remains a cost-effective alternative to more expensive EVs from premium brands. When you factor in federal and state incentives for electric vehicles, the EV2 becomes an even more attractive option. The 2025 Kia EV2 is more than just an electric car. It's a statement of Kia's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. With its impressive range, fast charging capabilities, luxurious interior, and advanced technology, the EV2 is set to be a game-changer in the EV market. Whether you're a first-time EV buyer or looking to upgrade from your current model, the EV2 has everything you need and more. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the 2025 Kia EV2. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews and dev updates. Stay tuned for our next video, and as always, thanks for your support. Subscribe now.